Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, kids. I hope all of you will be fine and enjoying your good health. And I just hope that you guys are following all the precautions to avoid coronavirus. Today, we are going to start Broadway English for class 2. Start with the quotation. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "When a person tells a lie, the bad smell that comes out of the lie keeps the angels 1 mile away." Means if a person tells a lie, the lie smells too bad, even the angel did not bring blessing to that person. May Allah give us courage to speak the truth always. Ameen. Moving towards today's lesson. Going to start unit number 9 on page number 86, and unit name is Little George. So let's move toward starter first. George, the little boy in our story, grew up and became famous as the first president of United States, and his full name was George Washington. So moving toward next line. Do you know the name of our first president? So, right, Sikandar Mirza was the first president of Pakistan. Sikandar, Sikandar Mirza. Who is our president now? Right name here. So, Dr. Arif Alvi is the current president of Pakistan. So, now let's read the story. Moving towards the story, let's discuss the importance of trees in our life. Trees remove carbon dioxide from the air. They provide fruits, provides medicine. Trees cools our houses. They reduce erosions. Erosion means disruption or breakage or destruction of the land or soil. Trees add oxygen in our environment. Trees prevents flooding. Plant a tree, save our earth. Towards page number 87, let's start the story. Little George got an axe for a birthday present. He was very happy. Be careful how you use it, George, said his father. It is not a toy. Yes, father, he replied. I will be careful. In this paragraph, it is being discussed that the little George got an axe as a birthday gift from his father, and his father advised him that George, be careful, this axe is not a toy. And George replied, yes, father, I will be very conscious about this. I will be very careful. He went out into the garden with it. So what did George do? He just took his axe and went to the garden. There was a beautiful cherry tree in the garden. His father had planted it. George thought, is my axe sharp? So there was a cherry tree in the garden that his father planted once. So George went into the garden, and as you can see in this picture, George is in the garden and he just want to know that is his axe sharp or not sharp. So what did he do? Let's see. He hit the tree once with his axe. He made a small cut in the tree. This axe is not sharp, he said. So what did he do? He made a cut on the tree with his axe. Then he hit the tree again. It made a deep cut. Oh my God. So once again he hit the tree, which made a very deep cut in the cherry tree. He said, this axe is sharp. I like it. So George was very happy that his axe is sharp and he really liked his axe. The next morning his father went into the garden. So the next morning his father went into the garden. What did he saw? He saw the cherry tree, it was dying. Means the cherry tree was very sick because of the cut that George gave him. He was angry. "Who cut my cherry tree?" he shouted. Shouted means he just shout in very loud voice that, "Who cut my cherry tree? Who cut it?" George heard him. George heard his father shouting and he came running out. Running out means he came out and he said, "I cannot tell a lie, father. I cut it with my little axe." So, what did George do? He did not tell lie to his father, but he told the truth that it was me who cut this tree. So, what did George's father do? George's father said, "I am sorry you cut my cherry tree, George, but I am glad you told me the truth." So, his father was really happy that George did not tell a lie, but he told the truth. So, his father forgave him. The word moral means the lesson that can be learned and applied to your life. It means any lesson or any good thing that we can learn and apply in our daily life is a moral lesson. So, the moral lesson that we get from this story is always speak the truth even if your voice shakes. Means you have to speak the truth whatever is the situation. One more good thing that we get from this chapter is importance of plant. Plant a tree and get oxygen for free.
Everybody, please stay together. Today we're going to learn more about trees. Who can tell me why we need trees?
Trees provide us shade on a hot day like today.
Good, Snake. Anybody else knows why trees are so important?
Trees also provide us with food like nuts and fruit. And flowers too. And Professor, many animals also live there, like birds, squirrels, and so many others.
Very good. But I still have not got the answer I am looking for. Why are trees so important? Anyone? Trees provide us with oxygen that we need to breathe to live. Trees breathe in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. In this way, trees make sure that we have pure oxygen to breathe, without which we cannot live.
Professor, is that why many people say that we should not cut trees, but plant more trees?
Yes, it is very important to protect trees, and we should also try and plant as many trees as we can.
I hope all the points are clear to you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.